Hello, dear learner. Welcome. This is lesson 8, science, under the topic machines and friction. You remember previously we looked at types of simple machines. Before that, we looked at types of machines where we talked about simple machines and complex machines. We went ahead and looked at types of simple machines. One of them was inclined planes, and we also looked at wedges. We looked at the screws, and we also looked at wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. My dear learner, today I want us to look at inclined planes, wedges, and the screws. Starting with the inclined planes. Inclined planes are defined as a sloping or slanting surface connecting a lower level to a higher level. Is a sloping or an inclined plane is a sloping or slanting surface. Say an inclined plane is a slanting or sloping surface connecting a lower level, to a higher level. An inclined plane is normally drawn like this, whereby this vertical part is actually the distance. This is the distance moved by the load, and this slanting surface is the distance moved by effort. The effort moves through this distance, or the effort is applied through this distance, and this is the distance of the load. An inclined plane, as I already told you before, is also known as a slope. An inclined plane is also known as a slope, and it is a simple machine. As I mentioned it as an example of simple machines. It enables very heavy loads to be raised using a small effort, or lesser effort is applied to carry a heavy load. We also say when loading a drum or a truck using a ram may be used. For example, if you are loading an object on a truck, you can use what we call a ram. A ram is a slanting flat surface used to make loading vehicles or climbing to higher levels of buildings easier. It could be a wooden material like this one here. You put it, for example, if you want to load a vehicle up here, you put it in a slanting way, like this. So, for it to make work more easier, you make it more slanting, so that lesser effort is used to move an object, up a vehicle. It also enables people to use less energy than they would use if they were to raise the drum directly up, or an object directly up. Examples of inclined planes can be one to have what we call stairs, or mostly known as steps of buildings. For example, if you want to climb or to enter a house which is slightly raised, we use steps, or those kind of houses are constructed with the steps. We also have what we call ladders. We have what we call ladders. Ladders are like this. If you want to climb a higher level, you start by climbing here, you reach here, there, until you reach where you want to climb. We also have winding roads. We have winding roads as examples of inclined plane. A winding road, for example, winding roads are found on steep places or on hilly places. For example, you may have places where you want to reach up there. The road starts from here. Instead of going direct, the road moves like this and then turns round and moves until it reaches the top of a hill. So this is what we call a winding road, moving round a hill until it reaches where the road is supposed to stop. Then we have screw nails. We have screw nails. An example of a screw nail can be seen here. For example, this is a screw nail. These are screw nails. If one wants to open it, he simply gets a screwdriver, and then opens it. So this is what we call a screw nail. Oh, these are screw nails. They are examples of inclined planes. I also want us to look at wedges. Let's look at wedges. Wedges are referred to as cutting tools. They are cutting tools, and the wedge is defined as a double inclined plane. A wedge is a double inclined plane. A wedge is a double inclined plane. It has two inclined edges. I say a wedge has two inclined edges which are used for cutting or splitting objects into different parts or into parts. An example of a wedge can be seen here. Why we say it is referred to as cutting tools, or why it is referred to as a double inclined plane, is that it has two sides that are sloping. It has two sides that are sloping. For example, we have side A, we have side B. When you look at this side here, it is sloping. It is sloping. That's why we refer to them as double inclined planes. An example is an axe, which you have seen here, which is used for splitting of wood, or which is used in splitting woods. They are normally drawn like this, or you can draw them like this to show that they have two edges. We can have edge A or side A, and we have side B. So other examples of wedges that I have with me here is a panga. Panga is also an example of a wedge. Examples. One, I say an axe is an example. Two, we have panga. We also have razor blade as an example of a wedge. We may also have spear. Spears are also examples of them. There are other similar objects that have similar or the same kind of edges, like this. We refer to as wedges. You can mention many of them. Another example or another type of simple machines I want us to look at is the screws. The screws. A screw is an example of a simple machine. It is defined as an inclined plane wound, round a rod. It is an inclined plane wound round a rod. The screw, I say, is another simple machine which is used in our everyday life. Screws are used to fix metals or wooden materials firmly. They are also used to fix screws, just like I told you. They are used for fixing screws. Like these were two different pieces of wood. They have been joined together. So screws are used for joining or for fixing wooden materials firmly, like this. Firmly. The part of the screw, the part of the screw which is below the cap is like a gentle slope. For example, we may have a screw here. We may have a screw here. So the part which is below the cap, which is this one, this is the cap. The part which is below the cap that you are seeing here is like a gentle sloping path around a thin cylinder. It moves round. It is gently around like this. This object looks like a cylinder, so it moves around it. That is a screw. Other examples of screws that we have, is one of them is also the screw nail. We have the screw nail. We have car jack. You know the car jacks which are used for lifting a vehicle when you want to change car tires, or if a mechanic wants to do a repair under the vehicle, he uses the car jack for lifting it to a higher level. A slight or lesser effort is applied on the handle of the car jack in order to lift the heavy car. So, other examples of the screws we have is the screwdriver. The screwdriver is used at the point where you want to tighten or to loosen a screw nail. A screwdriver is used at the point where you want to unscrew or to loosen the screw from an object. So, my dear learner, I thank you for watching this. Before we stop, I want us to look at uses of screws. Screws are used in lifting vehicles when placing tires. Screws are also used to tighten objects together. For example, metal bars are joined using screw nails. They are also used to hold objects together, like a ramp. You can use a ramp. A ramp is a machine used by carpenters when they want to hold a piece of timber so that they can cut it simply. The ramp is used at that point. Thank you for watching. See you in the lesson 9.